Hello, this is the continuation of the bag that we have sold so far. This is the continuation, that the finishing aspects of it. We have done this one on our part one for those design. This video is split it into two. The part one we have done justice to that, and this is the part two that we are coming to the end of those bags. So after fixing all of them together, we'll just cover it with bias. That's all for this. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll add the handle, the base side, the main body of the bag. This is the side. So the two sides is the only side that's remaining now. So after adding the two sides, that's all we have done justice to this bag. So let's go ahead and do that now. So coming at this point, the bag that we're making, this is the side of the bag, and this is the main body of the bag. So I have gotten the middle point from the base. So this is the middle point from the base. This is the middle point. Then from this middle point now, and the zip. So the zip is the middle point from the up. So coming here from the middle point here now, I will go ahead and they notch the middle point here. So I've notched it, and I've also notched the middle points from the up. So from the base side, I will join this back from the middle of the base and from the middle of the side this way. So I'll hold it together this way, then I'll go ahead and sew it. So after joining this one, I'll go ahead and join this side also now. I'll also get the middle of this and notch it here. And I'll also do the same thing here now. So from here now, I will join it here. So after sewing this bag this way, let's go ahead and turn our back. So after making the bag, can you see this bag? Things are inside the bag. There are many things inside the bag. So this bag is so big. It's so beautiful. So this is family traveling bag. It's a nice one. So thanks so much for watching this video. Please, if you like this video, like it on my channel, then hit on the subscribe button, hit on the notification bell also, so each time we upload a new video you will still see all of them. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you so much.